I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for managing accounts receivable seamlessly integrated with NetSuite, including sending your invoices generated by SuiteBilling. Today I will guide you through creating subscription plans in NetSuite. A subscription plan is made up of items like recurring services, usage, commit plus overage, and one-time charges. You can create a subscription plan or even simplify the process by using only add-on item lines without needing a plan or price book. You simply go to List, Subscription, Subscription Plans, New. In the name field, you write anything, my first plan. And then you need to select the initial terms. Here I select 1 year, but you have a bunch of different options that you can see. The standard term, the end date aligns for all items based on the subscription start date plus the indicated term. For a custom term, you must set the subscription level end date at the subscription level, and that date will define the end date for all the items, which will result in the alignment of the end date. The exception would be the one-time subscription lines because they are only active for 1 day. The subscription level end date for custom term remains editable until any subscription line becomes active. And then you have the evergreen term where the revenue ends after 3 years unless invoicing preference is extended. If I go back to the subscription plan, on the line items, on the line subtabs, for each item, you would have the item column, for example, this one time recurring. So you just select an item. In the required column, you check if the item must always be included or clear if optional. For the type, you will have different options here. One time, recurring, usage, commit plus overage. The billing mode, so you have in advance or in arrears. And if I look here on the right, you have include in renewal subscription, and you can select your preference as you see on the screen. For recurring items, you can choose the prorate start date and prorate end date if needed. And before we move forward, please make sure before you use SuiteBilling to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Once this is done, you just click on Add for the item line, and you repeat for all items to be included in the subscription plan. On the renewal subtab here, you can set your renewal preferences, including options for automatic renewal and uplift pricing if enabled. This helps define price increases at renewal using the uplift percentage and uplift frequency fields. One thing before I forget is that you'll have the price book subtab once you've set up the subscription plan, where you can create a price plan for each item. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would be super grateful, and I'll see you soon on kolleno.com. Bye bye.